What did she say?
Tapon in the trash can.
Tapon in the trash can?
Yeah.
Kasya ba ikaw doon?
Yeah, not kasha.
No, what did she say? What did she say? What did she... No, do not tapon. No. What did she say?
So alone?
Yeah.
Why? You're lonely?
Yeah.
Why are you lonely? Tita Jess is there playing with you.
Gagawa ko assignment.
What happened?
Tita Jess.
What did Tita Jess said? Oo.
Tapon dong ang trash can.
Magtapon siya sa trash can sa'yo?
Yeah.
Is that good or bad?
Bad.
No, don't do that, Tita Jess, ha? Don't do that. Oo. Ato, don't do that. Kantaga lang na akong tayo. Don't do that, sabi kay Tita Jess.
Very noisy ka kasi.
Oh, very
Basta
noisy.
noisy, itapon talaga.
No.
Noisy, maiyak-iyak siya.